green colors is occurs. Ultimately the reaction is completed and we can got the endpoints. Okay, this is the Fajan methods, how to go for the titrations. Okay. Then also it is the what is the role of fluorescent ions, and what is the which indicators are used, and that indicators what is the when it is act on the surface, then how to change the color, right? Seeing the first indicator, fluorescent it is an indicator, and when it is act in the greenish yellow solution. Okay, then what happened in the precipitation type of titration? Greenish yellow colors is converted into the pink colors for the purpose of chloride ions. Suppose we are taking the bromide ions or chlorides, bromine and iodide, when using as a eosin as an indicators. When it is eosin is applicable in the solutions of a yellowish red with the silver, then ultimately the yellowish red is converted into the reddish violet. Because reddish violets, yellowish red to reddish violet, because we are using as a eosin as an indicators when you are taking the bromides and iodides. Suppose we are taking the chlorides, that times we use as a fluorescent as an indicators. Okay, these points is only applicable for the Fajan methods. Keep in your minds. Okay. Okay. Then what is the comparison in between the three methods? First one is the Morse methods, Euler's and Fajan's. What is the advantages and disadvantages of a Morse method? Then Euler's methods and then Fajan methods. See the first Morse methods. It is very simple. So why it is called as simple? Because it is direct titration is there. And you know about the direct titrations, right? And second thing, what is the disadvantages of Morse methods? It is only used for the alkaline solutions, not suitable for iodine, require a blank. Why blank is required? माझ्या मते मागच्या लेक्चर्सला सांगितलं why we need about the blank titrations in the precipitation titrations. Why need residual titrations or blank titrations? Why the blank titration is required? Because see, suppose in Morse method direct titrations is there, and what happened in this type of titrations, sometimes does not got the results. You perform again and again, some substances having the errors is there, it does not got the result final. That times you need to 3 to 4 readings, right? And that times a blank titrations or back titrations means you should take the samples without samples and you should perform the titrations, you should get the readings, and afterwards direct titration readings is already you taken, right? And that readings and blank reading we should minus it, means blank reading, blank titration reading is minus to direct titration reading, and then afterwards you should got the perfect value, and that value to put into the formulas and find out the percentage purity. Okay. Then what is the Euler's methods? What is the advantages of Euler's methods? Euler's methods capable for direct Ag plus and indirect halide analysis. And second thing, very clear color changes. What is the disadvantages of the Euler's methods? Must use 1 molar of nitric acid solution is required, only for 1 molar. Second, some problem with some ions. So that's why Euler's methods having some disadvantages in here. And what is the Fajan methods? Fajan methods, what is the advantages? Capability of different pH ranges and the selectivity with different indicators. And what is the disadvantages? Difficult with dilute solutions and should not be high background ionic levels. First of all, you understood what is the difference between the three methods. First one is a Morse method, right? Second one is a third method, Dyson. Okay. What happened in the Morse methods? Direct titration. For example, aqueous silver, aqueous chlorides. Then the formation of silver chlorides. Okay, and the precipitate is aqueous. What is the color of that precipitate? White. Clear? This is called as a Morse method. What is the Euler's methods? Euler's methods means generally it is the residual titrations or right. It is the indirect methods पण म्हणतो आपण त्याला. Okay, this is the residual titrations is in the Euler's methods. What happen in the Euler's methods? It is depends upon the pH. It is depends upon the pH means when you are performing